the inside tire will spin and the outside tire that has all the weight on it will not spin. So the one that has the least resistance, aka the one that's up in the air spinning freely, will get all the power if you have an open differential, meaning it's not a locking differential. What A-Trac does is it puts a brake and applies the brake onto the spinning tire that's in the air. So if the A-Trac is disabled, you essentially have two open differentials, which means if you go into a ditch and you're off-roading or an obstacle and the front left is in the air and the back right is in the air and you're teeter-tottering, you're just stuck. You can't get out of that. You can't, if two wheels are in the air on the opposite sides, you're stuck. So A-Trac fixes that. So that was the problem I had. So here's how I fixed it. The way I fixed it was I was riding home and the dash lights went out, which was an indicator that there's a short in the dash somewhere.